Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I'm Safi and I'm 6. And I'm Sara and I'm 4. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Safi and Sara's Crafty Corner. Hello! Daddy bought us this. It's called Waterbead.
Okay, what do you have to do with it?
The D1, D1. So first you get like the base thing like this. And then you look like this is the base, and then you get there's loads of pictures that you can do, like this fruit, sweethearts, lucky charms, stylo pets, fairy tale magic. So then you put the base on the one that you want on one, and then you start to get the beads. And then just like put them by there, and then when you're done, you spray it.
Okay.
You need to put it like this. And you have to fill this up with water.
Okay.
And then you have to wait. And then it looks like kind of like this, but you can do whatever like little character you want.
That's fantastic, love. That's amazing. And these are the beads, are they? Wow.
There's a little dragon, there's a flag, there's a unicorn. I don't know what that is, it's a star.
That's fantastic. Thank you for showing me the star. And did you have fun with it?
Yeah.
How much fun?
This much.
That's a lot. Oh my goodness.
More. This is something else I made. So, this is how I made it. I just got like little beads and then I stuck them on these like little spiky hole things.
Little tubes, aren't they? Let's have a look. Oh, that's cool. It looks like Pingu the penguin, isn't it?
It's a penguin.
It's cute.
I also saw a monkey, but I decided to do the penguin.
That's lovely. I absolutely love it. Thank you. I think Sarah's got something to show us now. So if you step aside and let Sarah show us what she made today. Oh, what's this, Sarah?
Bag.
What is it, love?
Christmas bag.
Christmas bag. I love your little prints here. How did you make these prints?
On.
Oh, okay. So stamping it, was it?
Yeah.
I love it. Can you show us what's inside, darling?
Christmas bag.
I'll put it in the middle so we can see it. Oh, what a lovely... Who is that?
Snowman.
It's Mr. Snowman?
Yeah.
I love it. I love how his eyes follow you around the room. Oh, and Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
That's lovely. And did you paint the front?
Yeah.
And did you stick these on?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm stitching those on and the hat on.
That's fabulous. Right, what else can we see in your bag?
My calendar.
Your what?
My calendar.
Let's see your
Wow.
calendar.
My calendar.
Okay. Wow, I love your little calendar. It's very bright and merry. How did you make that?
Hannah helped me.
Oh, did she?
Yeah,
I love your little
also-
calendar. Let's have a look. Oh, Sarah is only 4, so she's done amazing.
I'm 6. Also something else for me.
Yes,
My
Safi's 6.
golden ticket from today.
The Polar Express round trip ticket. So you're going on the Polar Express?
Yeah, I went today and I watched the Polar Express.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic, love. I'm really proud of you. Now let's see what else is in your bag. Let's
My
see.
fist, who I made.
Your what?
My fist.
Wow, your little fishy.
Wow, your fishy looks so fabulous.
It does. I love all these feathers.
Yeah. And all these little rainbow stripy things. The paper. Oh. Colorful. I like how you coloured it in blue. Look. No, not blue, purple. Oh, it's purple. Look at this, everyone.
That's lovely. I love that fish. It's amazing. Isn't it, Sophia?
Yeah, and also my ticket.
Yes, we love those things. Let's pop them over here
Yeah.
and see what else you've got in your bag.
Ow!
Show us some more.
Is it
What's that?
my Christmas tree?
Let's
Wow.
put it-
It has my name on it.
It's got your name on there.
Yeah, on the back.
Wow, look, it says Soraya. And it's, 2024. I love that. How did you make that? Is that elastic bands?
Yeah.
There's beautiful
Wow.
coloured bands. And
Can
there's
I
a lovely
hold it?
bear button. Of course you can.
Look at this. And it's a handle.
That's so
And
lovely.
buttons.
I absolutely adore it.
Look.
I love it.
Them.
Can I have it?
Nah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you have it. It's for you.
Oh, thank you, my darling. Let's see what else you got in your bag, my
You
darling.
made a biscuit. Biscuit? Is it
Whoa.
for me?
Let's see a biscuit.
No. Aww. I love biscuits.
That's a lovely little biscuit.
For you.
Did you bake
For me?
it?
No. Do you want it? For you. I'm gonna try it. Also, it's string. He was
show us up here, love.
Show us up here.
Oh, let's see this. Just some beautiful ribbon string, and
It
then
was
in
the
here.
same size as me.
Is it? This ribbon is very special, as you will soon see. Take it out, and you will find that it's the same size as me. Oh, Soraya!
Let's take it out.
You want to see how tall you are?
Yeah.
You're not that tall, are you? Let's see how tall Sara is. Oh my goodness. She's as tall as this string. This ribbon. Whoa, that's tall. Isn't it? And you're getting taller and taller every day. That's beautiful and fabulous. Thank you for sharing with us, darling. I love it.
It's my turn now.
Yeah, what would you like to do?
I want to go find. Hello, my name is Safi, and I'm here to show these bunny stuff. I like bunnies.
How old are you, Safi?
6.
Okay. How old are you, Sara?
4.
4.
4.
Go on then, show us what you made today.
So I made like this little bunny. I also made this one. And on the back of this one is this bunny.
I love it.
And on the back of this you can also play like little games. Like you have to make the bunny jump and walk and jump. I put a little box there and a cactus. And this little bunny is supposed to live inside of this one.
Oh, that's so cute. I love it.
Like this. My turn, my turn, my turn.
Wait your turn, darling. She's showing off another one.
I also got this one and I wrote I love bunnies. I also drew this little picture of a bunny holding a little carrot.
It's so cute, my love. Love it. Thank you for showing us.
So, I'm gonna teach you how to draw a cute bunny. I'm gonna draw one by here and then I'm gonna teach you. Are we in now? Pink. And I have it down. Make sure you don't colour the in. Good girl. You don't colour the eyes in. Baby pink.
Well done.
And after my turn. This is how we draw a bunny.
We love it. Hooray!
My one. Thank you. Is this a big one and this a little one?
No, they're all the same. What are you going to draw, Sara?
Puppy.
Puppy? Go on then. Do you know
No, kitty.
how to draw one?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Little hands
Good girl.
and eyes.
Perfect circles. Oh, nose?
No. Nosy.
So cute. Whiskers or not?
With
Softly.
1, 2, 3, 9, 2,
Cute.
3.
Perfect. And little line down here. That's what it cuts now. Good girl, I love it.
Kitty.
Okay, I'm drawing the ears.
The inside of its ears.
I love it. I love it. She's so good at this. I love it.
Orange done.
Oh,
Now
good.
yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah. Yellow. Now need orange again. First yellow. Fur.
What is it?
Fur. Fur, she said. Done. And I do in the face tomorrow.
Perfect.
Remember when we made this? There's a big tree for Dad. So, like, Mum did the tree branches and we had to stick our finger on it. And Mum told us where to stop because this is winter. I think this is autumn, this is summer, and this is spring.
Beautiful. I love it.
And it says, no matter how tall we grow, we will always look up to you. Happy Father's Day.
Well done. I love that. I love that you made it together.
We'll show it now.
Hmm?
We'll show it.
Show it. It's already been shown, love.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Now, Sophia would like to read out one of her first stories that she's written.
In my book.
In her book. So go ahead, Sophia.
I did a little bunny picture. That's Dad, that's Mum, and that's me, and that's Sarah.
Bunny family.
I also have a little book that I want to read to you.
Is this your own story?
I made it in after school club
Lovely. I'd love
on
to hear it.
Thursday. It's called I Love You, Little Bunny. It was a hot summer's day when Little Bunny woke up from bed. Little Bunny went outside and she played with her dolls. Little Bunny saw a butterfly and Little Bunny chased it. Little Bunny was lost.
Oh.
Little Bunny didn't know where to go. Little Bunny was sad. So Little Bunny tried to get home. Little Bunny got home. Little Bunny missed her mum, and that's the end. Bye everyone. Bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.